Most people drive right past this, but this is every campsite at Nelson Dewey State Park in Cassville, Wisconsin. Hi, I'm Brian with Dorn Travels. In this video, I'm at Nelson Dewey State Park in Cassville, Wisconsin. So let's go for a ride and check out the park. I'm driving through the entire campground so you can see exactly what sites look like before you book it. Coming up on your right is the group camp. Now we're heading up the hill. The road is wide enough for 2 vehicles, but if a person is coming down the hill, it could get a little tight. Oh, don't forget, you need a Wisconsin State Park pass to enter the park. On our way out, we drove through the campground. It's a really nice setup, wooded lots, good spacing. It looks like a really nice place to go camping. Okay, now we're turning into the campsites. The park has a mixture of non-electric, electric sites, and walk-in sites. Up ahead are the showers and restrooms. Here are some electric sites. And here are 4 walk-in sites. I was down here for a weekend getaway, renting a cabin at Eagle Roost Resort. I rented cabin 9. It has a hot tub and overlooks the Mississippi. I highly recommend checking this place out. The park has a total of 5 hiking trails with a total of 2 miles of hiking. The trails are pretty easy overall. If you're interested in learning more about Nelson Dewey State Park and the Stonefield Historic Site. I put the links down below in the descriptions. Overall, this is a solid campground. Wooded lots, good spacing between the lots. It feels like it would be quiet and spread out. When I drove through the campground, there wasn't anyone camping. It was dead quiet. But even so, you can tell this would be a great place to camp. If you're looking for a laid-back campground near the Mississippi with some space to yourself, this is definitely the one to consider. If you ever find yourself near Cassville, Wisconsin, make this stop. It's definitely worth it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. There's more videos to come. Thanks for watching.